केही कर खबरे केबे पड़ जीवा किए परिब कही माया महु बंधन को खोला बारे हे गुरु दया सागर
बयस बढ़ुची नाटक सरुची बयस बढ़ुची नाटक सरुची शेष दृश्य अच्छी बाकी पाप करिछि कि पुण्य करिछि मो साक्षी एकाचका आखि जय जगन्नाथ जय गुरु
You are respected master, teacher, sister, and all my friends. My name is Kajal Naik. This is an auspicious day of Guru Diwas. It is the birthday of our former President Radhakrishna, who is a famous cultural writer who desired to celebrate. It is as Guru Diwas. Guru means he instruct to be in good path. So we are celebrating this day.